Welcome back, everybody. I wanted to bring this to you. Super exciting. In fact, I just did a live stream on Blackstone's Facebook. This is the limited edition, the brand new Blackstone 22-inch Pro Series. Last year, you saw me premiere this, right? It was a Cyber Monday deal at Walmart. But this year, they changed a few things, including the brand new paint color, okay? It perfectly matches all of the other Blackstone Pro Series griddles. Now, my neighbor is actually doing some construction, so hopefully you don't hear that. But if you do, don't be alarmed, okay? They have a brand new handle design this year. Again, perfect, beautiful handle design, which perfectly matches the handle design on the complete Pro Series. And then the other thing that I noticed that they did different this year is they reinforced the hood. It's a heavier gauge hood. So come on in here. A lot of people ask me about Pro Series griddles. And I've had people tell me, Todd, I like the 22-inch griddle because it's small and it's portable. But what I'd really like is a big old Pro Series, but I don't have room for that. So I'm settling for this, and this is something in the middle. So check it out. It is sturdy. It is robust. I mean, it's rock solid. Constructed the same way all the Pro Series griddles are, but the difference is this thing is meant to go onto smaller areas. So maybe you don't have a pavilion like I do here on the back porch, but maybe you've got a smaller porch and you want a Pro Series. Look at this. You can have a Pro Series on your back porch. It's lightweight. You can move it around, okay? It's got all those Pro Series style looks that you come to appreciate. The upgraded knobs, the faceplate, the cool front panel to hide your propane tank, and again, there it is on the top. So if you want to see me cooking on this more in depth, go to Blackstone's Facebook. I actually just did a live stream. We cooked some beautiful ribeyes on this thing. Is it good lighting here, Kim? Mm-hmm. Perfect. Thanks so much. Kim is behind the camera today. Howdy. And there we go. Blackstone's Pro Series, the 22-inch, 184 bucks. When these are sold out, that is it. This sale actually goes through Sunday, I'm told, at Walmart. So if you want one of these for yourself or as a gift for somebody for Christmas, 184 bucks at walmart.com and the Walmart app. These are not in store, so don't ask me about that. Walmart.com or the Walmart app. Just like with the 22-inch, they'll get it shipped to you super quick. Take advantage of it if you want it. And I'll be back with another cooking video as soon as, oh hey, tovenzone.com, T-O-V-E-N, tovenzone.com. That's your place to go get Toven Zone merch. I appreciate it. And then make sure you're watching my Let's Give It a Try show, brand new every Saturday on Blackstone's YouTube channel. I got a special one for you this weekend with one of my late mother's recipes. Until next time, praise the Lord, pass the food, and there we go. One last look at the Blackstone 2022 20, it's a lot of twos, 22-inch Pro Series griddle.